how to turn on or turn off call barring all incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button at the top. Then from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Supplementary Services. After that, tap on Call Barring. Then we go down to the Incoming Calls section and tap on All Incoming Calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, depending on your network provider, they may block you from using this feature directly on your phone. Instead, they may want you to call them and ask them to manually switch this call barring on or off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.